Good afternoon, everyone. We're doing something a little bit different. Because we're at Mopoke Hut, it's probably, what would it be? It's nearly midnight. I'm just about tripped over a stick.
Yeah,
nearly midnight, or probably is midnight by now. And we're just going to go for a walk inside the hut and check it out. So, a little bit different, but we're going to check it out.
Wake up in the morning, it's a brand new day. Need to grab those keys and fire away. Hit that ignition turbo with and head down the track and don't look back. This is way off-road adventures. Welcome to 4x4.
There she blows.
there she is.
Oh, and just for interest's sake, there you go, 11:30, so half an hour before 12 o'clock.
If we hear a creak, I'm out. Hench boys, we're coming in.
Thank you, sir.
You first, my friend. I'm already getting like chill. Like, hair's starting to stand up. Just, I think, the atmosphere. Here we go.
Don't forget to knock, it's polite.
Ooh.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Mopoke Hut at night.
It's eerie.
It's nice in here.
Oh, it's a big bloody spider right there too. It's very eerie. There's a redback up there.
Ooh,
Walk past into it. Redback?
that's a big fella.
White tail,
No, redback.
Yeah. We've got this eerie feeling. Ooh. It's actually warm in here.
It is warm. It's cool in this room because you've got open windows.
You ready?
You're going out.
No, turn the light off. Yeah.
You look so creepy. Yeah.
Yes, Satan.
Yeah, right.
Oh. This is cool.
What was that noise?
I don't know what that noise was, mate.
One of the boys is standing in the corner, just be like, "You mobbed buddy."
This is how you tell it.
What, you looking in the window?
Yeah. Oh, that's you.
Yeah, it's me.
No, cool. We're clear. Oh.
I can see you.
Yeah, if you seem like a shadow doing that behind you.
I'd be scared.
Oh, do you hear that?
Yeah, knocking on the window. Let me in.
It's quite creepy.
Very much
That's a
so.
big one. Yes. That is scary, isn't it? Did it try? I don't know what that noise was there. Oh. There is a hole there. It could have been a mouse.
Yeah, it could be
What's the
anything.
hole from? Where is it? Oh. Could have charged me phone.
Didn't know they had power back in 1996. No, sorry, 1962.
Yeah. That's a new addition.
Very nice.
What a redback's in here, I don't like it. Oh, he's moved up now. Yep.
Yeah, he's creepy. It's kind of weird though, because like we've been walking around here for maybe a couple of hours, not just to the hut, but as in general, and like looking at different things, shining the light out in the paddock. The place is dead.
Very dead. Not even.
We seen a bird in a tree.
One bird.
Yeah.
One bird.
But there's no eyes around. There's no cattle. There's no animals of any description. Like we kind of do a little bit of spotlighting. There's nothing.
It's desolate.
Yeah. No possums or anything. It's just nothing.
It's dead.
It's weird. And it's so quiet too.
Eerie quiet.
Yeah, really quiet.
Eerie quiet. Did you walk through there without getting him on you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys want peace and quiet, this place is the place to be. It's very, very odd. Actually quite nice for a change. Because when you usually go camping, sometimes you get to, other vehicles and things nearby, or aeroplanes, or I don't know, it could be anything. The sound of the ocean even, that can be quite loud. But this place has got absolutely none of that. So weird.
It is it's a scary weird in a way.
Yeah, try not to think about it too much.
Like you'd think you'd hear like a bird tweet.
Yeah.
Or, a galah. Just
Something.
Yeah, nothing.
I heard a bat earlier, but I think that might be the fireplace. I can see a red light over there.
That's too far for the fire. We're just here. Oh, that's your car.
Is it?
Yeah, I think.
My car light. Oh, my solar panel.
Yeah.
Oh.
Actually, I'm surprised we can't see the fire.
Might be mine. Yeah, it's my battery box. I can see the blue light.
Yeah. That was...
Nighttime plays tricks on you.
Mm.
Very nice. Hello, our little mate Red back over here is having a feed.
Oh, little one's above you, watching here. What was that?
Just a creek.
Oh, yeah.
It's an old house.
Oh, this is the rebuilt one.
Oh, that's true.
Should be great.
Yeah, but it's all made of that stuff.
Timber?
Wood? Plasterboard.
Oh, yeah. Oh, mate. Ooh.
Hello, Satan.
I wonder what that's for.
To hang a light off?
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, right. Makes sense.
We've come in here looking for something, but we haven't found anything.
We found nothing.
What are we doing?
The ghost hunting's come to a dead end just like this desert.
Yeah, we're kind of hoping to come in and meet some of the boys.
Yeah. I reckon this is the original foundation, right?
Could well be. Don't know.
I'm not sure.
This time on Moira, we're looking at concrete.
Okay.
What's that?
I wondered why they welded the stove up. It's to protect the hut and its occupants, so it doesn't burn down. Oh, we have movement. What are you doing, fella?
I didn't even know it was welded up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it now.
But the latch here is still... It's the number 4C. Extra large, apparently.
Ooh. Interesting.
Interesting. I don't think I'd sleep in here though.
Why not?
No, too many redbacks for me.
Yeah, they don't eat much.
Yeah, they just hurt when they bite.
Yeah.
Alright, there's all.
Even down in this corner here. Now that it's night time, you can see them. They're everywhere.
Oh, yeah. They're everywhere. Which way you're walking? You don't have one on you.
Yeah, no thanks.
Well, interesting, I don't know.
It is.
Different atmosphere than the day in here. Feels a lot more, don't know the word.
Ominous.
That's the word, ominous. And you're in the middle of nowhere, it's just bizarre, like you're in a house in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. Oh, number plate. That's what that is. Yeah, very strange.
Just another hut. Goodbye, Hinch boys. I'll leave. That's stupid shit. Oh, fuck off. Don't do that. Don't do that. Jesus, that was a fucking face and a half, man.
Sorry.
You look like this. That was me. I'm that duck out. That was scary.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Yeah, no, man. That was spooky.
Yeah, sorry.
The dog scared me first because it I thought someone grabbed it and pulled it back and then turned around to see you. Just standing there like, hello, Satan.
Yeah. This place is just absolutely dead. There's nothing here. It's so quiet.
It's very quiet.
It's still creaking.
Yeah. Not even a kangaroo eye. Not even an emu eye.
Nothing. And if you're wondering what we're doing up this late, well, we're supposed to be watching a meteor shower, which hasn't really happened. But
No,
yeah, we're just kind of filling in the time, going for a walk.
I've not seen the fucking meteor.
Oh, that light is so bright, I tell you. Oops, I turned it off. There we go.
I've not seen the meteor shower that's supposed to happen. We've seen a lot of shooting stars though.
Something in my hair.
What do you mean?
No, it's just like a moth or something.
Oh, I read that.
No. At least I hope not.
It's not a redback.
Cool.
I hope not.
I can't.
Pretty good, mate.
He.
Well, that was eerie.
Yeah.
Eerie, but refreshing.
Yeah, very interesting.
No one's in there. Oh, that's why we can't see the forest died down.
Ah.
Well, that was exciting.
That was exciting. Shall we go over and see the bird?
Yeah, let's go see the bird.
Don't think the camera will pick up meteors. No, not really.
Yeah.
Oh, I can sort of get stars. The bright stars.
Yeah. Oh, well, if the meteor shower does happen tonight, like it's been forecast to, might be able to capture a couple of bolts of light on the camera.
Potentially, yeah.
Hopefully. The bird was just here, wasn't it?
No, I'll put it further.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
I think that's him.
Yeah. One bird out of this entire place.
And we've looked.
Yeah, we
This is the only bird. Zoom him up. There he is. There's our bird.
One bird out of this entire place. It's crazy to think.
Oops. But yeah, nothing else around.
No.
I can't get over how quiet it is. No wind, no nothing, just eerie.
Absolute silence. Absolute silence. And dark. Oh. Yeah, isn't it? Very weird. That was my tree dragging. Thank God for that, so I was going to say that going this way.
I thought it was a snake.
Yeah.
Oh. Nothing. No eyes, no nothing. No sounds.
If you're into very peaceful camping, the best place to come. Mopoke Hut.
Yeah, I reckon. In the middle of the week when no one's here.
Yeah. April, May.
And here we go. Our lovely little fireplace in our camp. Your water bottle on my seat.
That was actually really cool going in there.
Yeah. And this is just a light that fits onto a battery. So, very, very special.
Very bright.
Very bright. Not bad for $12 or whatever I paid for it.
Yeah. It's got a little light.
Yeah.
I'd recommend it to a lot of people, actually.
Yeah. It lasts for ages. I've been using this light for the last, 3 odd days or whatever. For
Easy
different,
as it goes.
yeah, for different
Haven't
things.
charged it.
And yeah, no. Haven't charged it. It's fantastic. But yeah, anywho. That's our little exploration video.
Back to the fire.
Yep. Back to watching the stars.